Welcome back to Find It in Fergus Falls. I'm here with one of our health advocates in the area, Patrick Hollister with Partnership for Health. Patrick, glad to have you back on the show.
Thank you. It's great to be here.
You know, I know it's a first sign of spring when Patrick comes on the show to talk about biking and bicycle events that are going on in the area.
That is correct.
Spring has sprung.
Spring has sprung. Yep. So, got a few things that I want to talk to you about. First thing is, this is a new one for Partnership for Health. We are going to promote something called April 30 Days of Biking. Now, this is an event that's actually about 10 years old. It's actually gone global. There are people doing this all over the world, and we want to get Fergus Falls in on the action. So, what it is you go online, and the website is 30dob.com, 30dob.com, and you make a pledge online that you're going to bike every day during the month of April. Now, so that may sound like a tough commitment to make because it might snow, it might rain, it might be super windy, whatever. But here's the good news. Any distance on any particular day qualifies. So if it's really bad, bike down to the end of your driveway. You're okay.
Or just open the garage door and bike around in circles in the garage.
There you go. That would be fine. That would be
That
fine.
counts.
Now, what a lot of people discover when they, even who have participated in this, is even when the weather's bad, they say, all right, I made the pledge, I'm going to do it, I'm going to get on the bike, and I'm just going to drive down my driveway. Once they actually get on the bike, then they think, I'm just going to keep going. And so some people start out thinking they're only going to do their driveway, and they end up going all the way around the block or for a mile or whatever. So we're promoting that. So go online to 30dob.com and sign up for the April 30 Days of Biking Pledge.
You know, and one of the great things that folks should do now that it's still March is that make the pledge, then get your bike over to Central Lake Cycle to get it tuned up, make sure you got, proper air in the tires and, that everything's in ship shape so that there'd be nothing worse than on April 1st, April Fool's Day, you get on your bike and,
Exactly.
and then you're done.
And I would say please wear a helmet too. So
Absolutely.
Yep, exactly.
So that's a great event, and I've seen a lot of folks already on Facebook signing up for this. So
Yep.
that's pretty exciting.
Terrific.
So now, as we roll through the month of April, more bike events coming, including the big bike rodeo. That's turned into a huge event for kids around here.
That has really grown, thanks in large part to help from the Fergus Falls area YMCA. So this year will be the third annual bike rodeo at the YMCA. It will be Saturday, April 26th from 10 a.m. to 1 p.m. This is only one event of a whole bunch of events that are going to be happening on that day at the YMCA. April 26th, 2014 happens to be National YMCA Healthy Kids Day. So YMCA's all across, yep, it's terrific. YMCA's all across the United States are having all kinds of activities for kids on that Saturday, including the Fergus Falls area YMCA. And for the second year in a row, the YMCA has graciously agreed to host our bike rodeo as one of the activities. Will be one of the few outdoor activities. A lot of them happen indoors at the YMCA. So it will be 10 a.m. to 1 p.m. on Saturday, April 26th. A bike rodeo, basically what we do is we run kids through an obstacle course to check their bike safety skills. We also do a inspection of the bike to make sure the bike is safe. We will even be able to perform some minor repairs on bikes, not anything, but a few easy things like putting some more air in the tires or tightening up the brakes or something like that. We also show the kid how to wear the helmet properly. So what we're asking is, please bring your kids K through 8 on that day. Please bring their bikes and please bring their bike helmets. Now, if you don't have a bike helmet for your kid, we will have some bike helmets available to give away, but it will be a limited supply. So if you have a helmet, please bring it.
Right. It looks like Helmets for Kids, so thanks to Mike Heikus out there for all the hard work and all the helmets that he's gotten out there.
Exactly. He's been terrific. This will be the third year in a row that he's helping us out with the helmets, and we're grateful for his help.
Plus, it says you can register to win a bike, too.
Yep. We want to give away at least one bike. We're hoping to be able to give away more bikes. Now, how many bikes we're able to give away by random drawing depends on how many donations we get. So I want to make this request. You as an individual, your employer, your organization, your service club, if you're interested in donating to the bike rodeo, we would love to have your donation. No size donation is too small. And if you do donate, we would be delighted to put your logo on our flyer. So feel free to give me a call, Patrick Hollister, at 218 1-888-329-1809, or you can email me at patrick.hollister@co.clay.mn.us, and Hollister has two L's just like the clothes.
Sounds great. And of course, we want to thank the current sponsors. We've got Lake Region Healthcare, Central Lake Cycle, 4-H, the University of Minnesota, Ringdahl EMS, Partnership for Health, and Community Education. I'm sure there's a number of organizations, whether they're businesses or service clubs, that might be able to kick in maybe $100 or so and help purchase another bike, because there's nothing more fun than seeing kids win prizes.
Yes, it's fantastic, and you can help a kid win a bike. And if you donate, we will acknowledge you both on our flyer, and we will announce your organization and thank your organization on the day of the event itself.
So, Patrick and April, we've got the 30 Days of Biking, so go on to, whether it's the website, 30dob.com to sign up, or through social media, Twitter, Facebook, Bike Rodeo on Saturday, April 26th. And let's touch on a couple things I'm going to look forward to May myself.
Yep,
So
May,
let's look into May.
we're all looking forward to May. May is National Bike Month. So once again, we've got Larry versus Jerry versus Carrie. You remember that from last
Yeah.
year? So we're doing that competition again, but we're adding a fourth competitor. It's going to be Larry versus Jerry versus Carrie versus Tolliff. Now, we couldn't rhyme forever, okay? So Tolliff doesn't rhyme, but he's very welcome to join us. Now, we're changing the rules a little bit this year. What we're going to do during the month of May, for each week of May, we're going to have a community bike ride. The entire community is welcome to join the bike ride. They're going to be led each week by a different person of those four people. We're still working all that out, but at the moment we're thinking that Jerry will probably lead the bike ride for the first week in May, Tolliff the second week, and then between Carrie and Larry, we're going to figure out which one does the third week and which one does the fourth week. The bike ride will probably start at their respective organizations, cruise around the city, and then end at that place. So we're still working out all those details, but I'll be on the show a month from now, and I'll fill you in on the rest of the details.
Sounds great. And for those who want to maybe fine-tune some of their skills, we've got a bicycle traffic safety skills that folks should mark on their calendars later in May.
Exactly. So Friday, May 16th and Saturday, May 17th, we are offering a class at Fergus Falls Community Education. It's a 9-hour class, and the tuition is $50. The class teaches basic safety skills on the road, how to bike safely in traffic, bike maintenance, what's the right type of helmet to buy, how to wear the helmet properly, even things like proper nutrition and how to stay hydrated if you want to bike for a really long distance. Now, the tuition is $50, and it's a 9-hour class, about 3 hours on the evening of Friday, May 16th, and about 6 hours on Saturday, May 17th. But Partnership for Health is offering $50 scholarships to people who live, work, or attend school in Becker, Clay, Otter Tail, or Wilkin counties. So almost everybody watching the show qualifies. So you're welcome to contact me if you're interested in that $50 tuition reimbursement. Once again, Patrick Hollister, 218-329-1809, or patrick.hollister@co.clay.mn.us.
Well, fantastic. Lots of things going on with Partnership for Health and biking as we look forward to spring. Patrick, come join us again in May, and we'll remind folks on National Bike Month and the bike traffic safety skills class.
I sure will. Thanks a lot.
You bet. Thanks for being on the show. We'll be back after a short break.